Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, the master of universe, the kingdom of judgment day, and the creator of everything in this world. Honorable, the Chancellor of the State Islamic University Kiai Haji Ahmad Siddiq Jember, the lecturers who teach us, and all my friends. The first time, let's thank to Allah who given us blessing and mercy until we can stay healthy and happy every day. Secondly, salawat and salam always given to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam who has guided us from the darkness era to the lightness era. In this time, we will study about the past simple tense. This is the most important tenses in English. Why? Because we use these tenses so often to talk about all kinds of things. So, whatever you want to describe before now, use the past simple tense. When we talk about past simple tense, it's all about the past, but specifically, talk about something in the past and it's finished. We can talk about anything that started and ended in the past. Now, look at the simple with the basic verb. The basic verb is work. This is so simple and easy because we can use in any kind of subject like I, you, they, we, he, she, it, or we can use subject with the name and change the verb from work becomes work. For example, I work, you work, he work, it work, and another. And now, how to use the past simple tense? So, you must know, in English there are two kinds of verb. The first is regular verb and the second is irregular verb. In the regular verb, they just have ed or d in the end. You just add the ed and d in the end of the verb. For example, watch becomes watch. Work becomes work. Just simple like that. And in the irregular verb, the verb changes a little bit or changes completely. So you must know them. For example, see becomes saw, buy become bought, and go become went. This is totally changed. And now, how to use them in the positive sentence, negative sentence, in interrogative sentence or question. So 1, you must choose the verb, the best verb. I choose the work. Work is verb 1. And when you apply that in positive sentence, the verb change becomes worked. Choose the subject, plus verb 2, and plus object. They're the positive sentence in past simple tense. Like, I worked yesterday. He worked yesterday. I saw you last week. Or, you must know that you can choose with subject, and to be was or were. To be was were is to be the past, and adjective or adverb. For example, she was absent yesterday. And for now, in the negative sentence, you just choose the verb 1. Back to base verb. Just like this. He didn't work yesterday. Don't add the ed or d in the verb. Just did. Did is helping verb, which is do in the past. But you can say it with didn't. Did not is very long, right? You can say it didn't. Or you can use the pattern like this. Subject plus was or were plus not plus adjective and adverb. Like she was not absent yesterday. And next, in interrogative sentence or in question. The pattern is did plus subject plus infinitive verb plus object. For example, did I see you last week? Did he work yesterday? Or you can choose the pattern with was or were plus subject plus adjective or adverb. Like, was she absent yesterday? Did you realize something? You can use the interrogative sentence with one of the question words, like who, why, where, what, and how. But you must put the question word before did. For example, where did he work yesterday? So easy, right? In the positive sentence, you must add the verb to. And the negative and interrogative sentence, you just come back in the past verb or verb 1. And now, when we can use the past simple tense, we can use with the time expression. For example, Lucy cooked last night. Last night is time expression. The time expression, they are last night, last month, last year's, and another. And second, without the time expression. For example, I cook dinner. When we use cook, we know that we're talking about the past because cook is the verb to. The best verb is cook. And the next is recent past. The recent past, it just happened in the short time ago. For example, they visited Nindi yesterday. Because yesterday is not really long time ago. The distant past usually used when way back or long time ago. For example, she lived in Jakarta a long time ago. It doesn't matter when we use it in the case. The next is one action. For example, he talked to his mother. In the sentence, there's just one verb. That is talked. Usually they did in the past. And next is many action. Many action mean in the sentence they are many verb. For example, they invited their friends and ordered meals and watched the movie yesterday. There are three verbs. So the conclusion is the past simple tense is used to say an activity that has happened in the past. I hope this helped you to know the past simple tense and see you in the next video.